I knew doing was more important than dreaming because I came from a very humble background. 19 of us lived in a 400 square feet flat. And every morning, the queue outside one single toilet left me thinking, what now? I completed my CA and CS in times when my friends were getting married even before graduation. Why? I was working hard towards fulfilling my childhood dream, earning that respect. I found a perfect partner in Samir, and I completed one more specialized course besides continuing with my job. It was no less than an achievement for a married girl back then. But no matter how successful you are in your jobs, if you come from a business pedigree, sooner or later you're drawn into becoming your own boss. We both gave up our promising corporate careers to set up an investment banking company of our own. I was on cloud nine because that meant working with Samir as a partner. But the cloud burst soon. Have you heard Ghar ki office, hobby barabar? That happened with me. In my quest to become the ideal daughter-in-law, I started missing office for attending rituals and guests at home. And slowly, I started to lose my value in office. And the sour icing on the stale cake, whenever I mention to people that I'm working with Samir, they give me a casual knowing nod. Oh, I had designation, I had power, I had the best partner, I even had salary. But still, I was not happy. I knew this was not what I had dreamt of. I was capable of much more. While I was going through all this, I got a chance to become part of Ladies Circle India, a voluntary organization which gave me opportunities to explore and utilize my full potential. At Ladies Circle, I met more women from affluent families, and I figured that this problem of being the redundant wheel in the family business is omnipresent. I wanted to find a solution and help all such women, including myself. And that led me to set up Career After Family Enterprise, aka Cafe. Cafe started in June 2019 with 15 members. And as of today, this community has 677 members from across the country and globe. Each one looking to create an identity which they can claim as their own. This increase in numbers is just by word of mouth, and we've not spent a single rupee on marketing. This validates the fact that with inception of Cafe, we've hit the nail on a very sensitive spot. Cafe is a no revenue outfit, and members volunteer happily to serve. There are about 30 odd members working in leadership roles, driving various initiatives, uplifting fellow women. There is no salary, there is no commission. Then what drives them? The satisfaction of being recognized for their own contributions and their own talent. For them, it is all about getting an opportunity to make an impact, to leave a mark. So what's stopping them otherwise, you may ask me? With our own data at Cafe and live case studies, we found the following reasons that stop women. And I call it the PCOD. Yes, as if one was not enough, we discovered another PCOD that troubles women. Let me explain. P stands for priority, career after family. One of our members, who was a senior manager at the Big Four, left her lucrative job after marriage. Why? Because family was a clear priority then. And she is not alone. As per the various data, we found that 2 out of 3 women leave their jobs after marriage or after having children. And this gap then leads them to question their own capabilities. And let me tell you, the biggest reason behind this loss of confidence is the fast changing technology. So C stands for confidence, or should I say, loss of confidence. That brings me to O. So do you know what is the biggest challenge for our members today? To decide what they can do. It's not that they do not know anything. It is the other way around. They are the jack of many trades. Women are a multi-talented species. And trust me, they can come up with one new idea every day, if not every hour. And with this, they bring the challenge of zeroing on one idea. With this, I come to the end of the series, which is PCOD, and the last one is D. Any guesses? D stands for DAR, the fear of failure. Most of us fear failure. And to avoid it, what do? We do not try. But how do we expect to win a game which you don't even play? डर के आगे जीत है. Well, surprisingly, besides these 4 typical problems of PCOD, we found one more, a very unique one, the fear of success. You heard me right, the fear of success. What if I am too successful? Look at this. Actually speaking, we do not need any data to validate this fact. If we look around us, we all will agree to this fact that women are scaled at the bottom of the hierarchy. We see so many of school teachers around who are females, but how many university professors or chancellors are females? So many nurses around, but how many doctors and surgeons are females? We will find many, many such examples around us. So what could be the possible reason behind this? During cafe discussions, when members share their business ideas with me, they say, Kavita, I just want to do this much and not more because I have to balance my family with work. Imagine this is only the ideation stage and we clip our wings. The guilt of not being available for the family because of our own work commitments limits our growth. We do not aim high. But tell me one thing, do you think that the just homemakers have no guilt as such? They have their own set of guilts. The guilt of wasting their education, the guilt of not utilizing their talents, the guilt of not having the financial independence, and the guilt of not living the life of their dreams. So when we have to live with one guilt, then why not choose the one which empowers us? मुकम्मल जहां तो किसी को नहीं मिलता. I would reiterate what I said in the beginning. Doing is more important than dreaming. Just looking at the stairs will not take us anywhere. We need to climb on it. And that's what we do at Cafe. Take action for our dreams. And this action includes various initiatives to address the PCOD challenge and many such other challenges. So we did 279 upskilling sessions with experts, 16 business networking meets, 2 exhibitions to promote new and existing businesses, and 1 award event to applaud and motivate women achievers. All in the span of less than 27 months. And this has resulted in more than 100 women-led businesses and 500 more confident women ready to take the entrepreneurship plunge. Friends, it is not important to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Today I'm standing here despite knowing that I am not the best speaker, but this step will definitely inspire many of you to stand on this red dot. We may not have written the beginnings of our stories, but we sure can write the ending. But remember, your husband, your friend, your mentor, your guide, or whoever is your support system can only drop you till the airport. From there, you need to take your journey yourself. So what are you waiting for? Just get your boarding pass, pull your luggage, and fly. मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं? मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं? मुझे तो आसमान बनना है. मैं एक पन्ना क्यों बनूं? मुझे तो दास्तान बनना है. Thank you.